Frequently during combat practice or sparring or some sort of drill, you may be training with your training partner and you make contact with one point of contact or the bridge. Now the other hand is typically supposed to be watching or protecting the inside of the body, while the outside hand is making that contact. But frequently I come in contact with people where that other hand is actually asleep. Even though it looks like it's defending or it looks like it's in this kind of defensive position, it's not really alive. The engines aren't really running in that hand. So in order to develop balanced hands and sensitivity in both hands so that both hands can act and react and respond to your opponent, the push and pull exercise is fantastic for that. So I'm going to have my right hand on the outside, my left hand on the inside closer to me, and basically I'm just going to pull with my far hand and push with my near hand until it snaps over. Now what that's doing, it might seem simple to some of you, but really the idea is that both hands are engaged during that moment. As my hand goes out, my other hand comes in and it maintains the grip on the ring. This is a similar concept to when your hand is out and you switch hands as you're striking and the other hand comes back in to watch or to protect. If that hand is not alive and it's not ready to receive your opponent's strike, or if it's not ready to strike out, that hand is then sleeping, it's not alive, and it's not awake. The push and pull exercise is a fantastic way to get both hands working together and making sure both hands are alive. Enjoy.